She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I can smoke already, so part of my blood is. I think that's pretty baby, so I got trouble trusting.
Last time you saw me, I said that I was gonna speak to you guys later on, but that did not work out. I took a shower and I went straight to bed. Woo! My stomach is not behaving right this morning, so I have some ginger and lime with honey, and I'm gonna sip on this throughout the day. Hopefully I feel better. On the agenda today I need to wash my weave. I have some bundles that I used only once. I think I'll be getting a sew-in because I can't seem to find anyone that's available before I leave, because I still have not bought my ticket as yet. Wow, I have loads of laundry to do. I'm gonna grab some rubber bands so I could put it at the base so it wouldn't tangle that much.
Truth is I wanna lie with you, so come my way. You like you need somebody, so baby girl come my way. You like you need somebody.
I know that people be saying don't use shampoo on your bundles, but we do not care. How else would it get clean? I don't believe that only conditioner will clean it, so I'm using conditioner. So this is what I'm using: Can 2 revitalizing shampoo and revitalizing conditioner. And yes, I got them on sale for $1.62.
Profile on Tinder, send you let me to be with.
So I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes and then rinse this shampoo off.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'm back. I had a few things to do.
I don't even know what for. Knew it was real when you blocked me. Now I sit it on to jam my body. Wondering what I did to lose you. Why in the hell you ain't choose me? Why you don't love me no more?
I wake up in the morning and the sunlight hurts my eyes, and something without warning bears heavy on my mind. Then I look at you and the world's alright with me. Just wanna look at you, and I know it's gonna be a lovely day.
So the hair is all clean. I'm gonna pat dry. Let me get a towel. I'm gonna put it outside to dry because the sun is super hot. It should be dried in no time.
spot through the weekend. Do it like 9 to 5 in the weekend. Make her lose her mind every weekend. Do take Wednesday, Thursday, and just send them my way. Think I got it covered for the weekend.
I just got a nail appointment for tomorrow at 9 a.m. So I really don't like the way that they do my pedicure at the nail shop. I've never been to this nail shop, but this is gonna be my first time. But still, I'm still gonna do my own pedicure right now and make sure everything is nice and clean. So when I get there, it's just for them to French tip, gel polish my toes, and that's it.
Look what we lost, baby. Yeah. Somewhere else, don't wanna be nowhere else. But I got it all right here. That's my obsession with you. Always feels brand new. There ain't nothing better now. Maybe something better now. Always feels brand new. There ain't nothing better now. Maybe something better now. Got your name right. Headed back to your place. I don't fell in love with your taste. Never get enough of your fragrance. If it's a slow thing, no thanks. Unless it's a lips and slow dance. Cause I've been holding it down. So now that you're here, you gotta stay with me, stay with me. Now I got you all to myself. Why you gotta stay with me, stay with me. I can't imagine you so far now. Like I said, you're the soundtrack. Bring me back in focus. But under